Most AI agents you see online are just expensive wrappers. You pay for the LLM, you pay for the API, and the moment you stop paying, your agent dies. But today we're doing it differently. We are building a fully autonomous Python agent that runs 100% on your hardware. No OpenAI, no Anthropic, and exactly zero API keys. By the end of this video, you'll have a personal librarian agent that monitors your folders, reads your files, and organizes your digital life while you sleep. If you've looked into agents, you've seen the no-code tools. They look pretty, but as an engineer, I can tell you they are a trap. You lose control, you lose privacy, and you hit a paywall the second you try to do something real. Because we're using Python and a local LLM, we have infinite control. We're using Ollama as our engine and LangChain to give our agent hands to interact with your computer. Step 1. We need a brain. Download Ollama. It's the industry standard for running LLMs locally. Once it's installed, open your terminal and type Ollama run Llama 3. Just like that, you have a world-class AI running on your RAM, not a cloud server. Now for the agent part. An agent isn't just a chatbot, it's a loop. Observe, it looks at your downloads folder. Think, is this a PDF about taxes or a cat meme? Act, it moves the file to the correct folder. Host, notice we aren't hard-coding rules. We are telling the AI, look at this file name and decide where it belongs. That's the power of an agent. Watch this. I'm dropping a messy CSV, a project brief, and a random image into the inbox. The agent sees them, categorizes them, and moves them. It's not just automation, it's reasoning, and it cost us nothing. Think bigger. Since this is local, you can feed it your private journals, your company's financial code, or your medical records. No data ever leaves your machine. This is the real code advantage, and if you're tired of wrapper tutorials and want more real engineering projects, subscribe to Automation Hub. Let's build tools that actually belong to us. I'll see you in the next one.